Good morning, class 8. Welcome back to your biology classroom once again. Today I will discuss exercise of the 7th chapter. So look at your book. First, choose the correct answer. Many short fibers extending from the cell body of a nerve cell are called dendrons. Motor nerves carries message to the muscle and glands. Next, these nerves emerge from the brain and reach organ in the head region. These are also known as cranial nerves. The message that travels along a nerve in the form of a wave of chemical disturbance is called impulse. Next, junction of two neurons is called synapse. The human brain is enveloped by three membranes called meninges. Breathing and heartbeat are controlled by the medulla. The central canal of the spinal cord is surrounded by an H-shaped area called gray matter. Reflex action are the action controlled by spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system transmits message to and from the sense organ and is responsible for autonomic action. Next, fill in the blanks. A neuron is the basic structural and functional unit of nervous system. A single long fiber extending from the cell body of a neuron is called axon. The central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. The dash is the continuation of medulla oblongata of the brain. Spinal cord is the continuation of medulla oblongata of the brain. The nerve pathway of reflex action is called reflex arc. The peripheral nervous system consists of cranial nerves and spinal nerves. Next, true false. Each nerve cell consists of a cell body, many short fibers and a long fiber. That is true. Motor nerves carry impulses from the sense organ to the spinal cord. That is false. The largest portion of the brain is cerebellum. That is false. Thinking, reasoning and memory are controlled by the medulla. That is false. The reflex action is spontaneous response to a stimulus. Answer is true. The central nervous system consists of nerves only. False. Now, differentiate between the terms. So, you will learn from book. Next, find the odd one out. Dendrons, cyton, cerebrum, dendrite, axon. Here is cerebrum means the part of brain and the others are the part of nerve cell. So, the cerebrum is different from others. Next, cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata, dendrite. So, dendrite is different because cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla oblongata, these are three parts of brain. Next answer in short. Define nerve system. It is the organ system which actually control and coordinate all the body activities which are actually performed inside our body. This system is also known as nervous system. Name the parts of nerve cell. The main part of nerve cell, that is cyton. From cyton, the short fiber just coming out, these are dendrons. Again, dendrons are divided into short fibers, these are dendrites. And the long single fiber just coming out from the cell body, that is axon. What are motor nerves? Motor nerves are kind of nerves, basically carries the instruction or message from the brain or spinal cord to the different body parts, especially muscle and glands. How many cranial nerves are there in the brain? 12 pairs of cranial nerves are there in brain. What is a synapse? It is a junctional place where two neurons are connected to each other. Write the function of cerebrospinal fluid. Cerebrospinal fluid actually protects the brain from the sudden jerk or mechanical shock. Name the three important parts of brain. The three important parts of brain are cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla oblongata. Give two example of reflex action. Suppose we are just take away our hands or legs if pricked by pin or touch any hot objects. Same way, our blinking eyes, we blinking our eyes when bright light just fallen upon our eyes. These are the common example of reflex action. So student, hope all of you understood what I've discussed in this video. In this way already I have completed the chapter. So for today, up to this portion.